Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over with you guys on these cannabis stocks. I'm going to go over SNDL and TLRY. I'm going to compare the two. I'm going to go over exactly how these ones have to play out to continue this momentum, which indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation from here. And all I ask you in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over these two cannabis stocks that most people have been talking about. Again, SNDL here on the left side and TLRY on the right. I'm going to go over the swing trade perspective and what's going to give us confirmations on continuations. But I do want to mention before we get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts of the day. We mentioned BBIG on their Pennsylvania funding news for their EV charging stations from $10.50 jumping all the way up to $14.40 on the day, over 30% on that breakout. And we also mentioned EV charging news on PPSI and pre-market from $5.50 jumping all the way up to $12.25 on the day, over 100% on that breakout. And while all of that was happening, we had a continuation with CBAT from $2.70 jumping up to $3.50 on the day, over 30% on that breakout. And just now going 6 extended hours, we mentioned earnings on NAKD from 65 cents jumping all up to 95 cents going 6 extended hours, over 30% on that breakout. So if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here again on SNDL, we have been overall consolidating and selling off, but as you guys can see, we have the 20 average that has been below the 50 throughout this whole entire sell-off. Now, as you guys can see, right before going 6 extended hours, we do have the 20 average that was just looking to see if they can cross above the 50 again. So we will be looking to see if we can complete the 20 average to cross above the 50 going into tomorrow with SNDL. We could have a continuation. We're going to keep an eye on them again. No news here with SNDL or TLRY. And as you guys can see over here on TLRY, we do have the 20 average that is also just looking to see if they can cross above the 50 here. As you guys can see on TLRY, we are respecting previous levels that we did have continuation breakouts from. As you guys can see, again, we did consolidate. We had a continuation on our major breakout here with TLRY. So again, respecting this level here is exactly what we're doing. And that's why we are having a bounce here. Looking to see if we can continue on with this gap up here to 1383 is exactly what we're looking for going to tomorrow. But again, making sure we do continue on up, making sure we do increase in buy pressure. Same thing here with SNDL, looking to see if we can continue on this gap up to 78.89 is what I'll be looking for here. And to get that confirmation, I would be looking at the 5 minute here. As you guys can see, we have again that increase in buy pressure we had going to today, and we did get that increase in sell pressure going to extended hours. So as you guys can see, we are going to be trying to break above our previous buy pressure point to make sure we do get more momentum to possibly continue on with that gap up. And same thing here for TLRY. As you guys can see, again, we do have again that decrease in sell pressure showing us that we could increase. We do have the EMA lines pointing down here. If we do get these EMA lines to continue on down below the MACD, as we do see here on SNDL, then we could have a possible continuation sell-off. We will be careful here on these cannabis plays, but however, if we do get confirmation, we will be alerting this one in the Instables room. And again, with that said, if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instables that have been supporting the channel, everybody that has been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help others find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.